Getting spotless laundry at full load can be very challenging. Not anymore. Our washing machines with 4D wash system with Intensive Plus ensure spotless laundry results every time. The highly efficient 4D wash system optimizes the detergent and water fabric penetration, delivering always perfectly clean laundry even when the drum is fully loaded. This is how it works. It generates a laundry tunnel with an extra spin, which allows water and detergent to be injected centrally and distributed evenly and gently on your clothes. This is achieved by the combination of the direct water spray with extra spin wash for the most efficient and effective use of detergent and water, even when the drum is fully loaded. The result is bright and spotless laundry without any stains or dirt being left behind. Heavily soiled laundry sometimes needs an extra treatment. In these cases, you can choose the Intensive Plus option to give an extra boost to your cleaning performance. By selecting it, this will add an extra wash for approximately 30 minutes, providing you with brilliant results even on the most challenging load. The Bosch 4D wash system with the Intensive Plus option. The most efficient way to spotless laundry even at full load. Bosch, invented for life.